Right, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to this Bitcoin update today. And I've seen Bitcoin is in trouble at the moment, and I kind of have closed all the trades that I have, and I think it's time for the market to take a rest. I kind of believe that because my bad feeling hasn't really gone away, and I do believe that so many people are way too comfortable. They're making, the whales at the moment, they're making us way too comfortable that the market is okay. And when you feel like that, when you feel like the market is really nice, uh, that's a very big issue. And when you feel the market is really scary, that's better. So I'm going to show you something on the chart, and I think it's on the 4 hour time frame here. And yeah, so the pattern I've shown you before is an ascending broadening wedge. So you have the move to the upside and you broke below it. So I think $46,000 may be on the card coming in up next. Secondly, is if you look at the RSI, I mean, this is very clear, very, very clear that the prices went up and the RSI is moving down. So the selling is pretty clear because this is a very big bearish divergence since 9 of February all the way down to 22 of February now. So yeah, be careful. That's pretty much just the only thing I think I'm going to talk about on Bitcoin, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.